All right, so in section 2 of module 2, we talked about macro environment. We also call this the institutional environment. These are the rules, regulations, the norms of behavior that firms must abide by. The rules of the game, otherwise known as the macro environment, can be both formal and informal. The formal rules of the game are things like laws, regulations, policies by which firms have to abide. Informal rules of the game are things like norms, taboos, attitudes towards behaviors, and these are those things that aren't written in law, but firms, really we all kind of exist within these norms of behavior. And we talked about different components of the macro environment. We talked about the PEST model, right? The political, economic, social, and technology components. And so as a strategist, we want to think about the macro environment in these terms. From a political perspective, right? Who are the parties in power? How are the various parties influencing industries by subsidies or by tax breaks? From an economic perspective, what are the uh, uh, what are the growth potentials of various economies, right? Is the economy shrinking? Is it growing? If it's growing, that could be good for industry. If it's shrinking, that could be bad, right? Social, what are the consumers doing, right? So we talk about the graying of the population. That's the social component of the macro environment. And then finally, technology, what innovations are occurring that are influencing both an industry and the firms within that industry? And how are those things influencing how firms compete within that industry?